If you're a student in Nigeria, a nursing or a sit-at-home mom, even a dad who has a work, but you are still looking for a way you can use to make urgent 2k without stressing yourself, then this video is for you. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about how you can make urgent 2k without actually stressing yourself, but just doing one thing. And watch this video to the end. My name is Basi Ejukwa, medical student in the University of Calabar. And in my channel, I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of my content, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, we are going to talk about urgent 2k and how you can have it. Having urgent 2k is something a lot of Nigerians have actually dream or wish to have. Imagine that feeling and joy of having a credit alert, at least 1k daily of profit in your account is something of joy, and it's something that a lot of people will wish to have. And I'm going to give you that secret on how you can have urgent 2k as a student in Nigeria, using myself as a practical proof. I've been using it and it has been working. I've been having my urgent 2k at times to solve some of my problem, my course situation, without actually calling my parents. And what is the easiest way for you to have this urgent 2k is by offering solution. Wherever you find yourself, the environment you find yourself, be it in school, be it at home, whenever you tend to offer solution, you are sure of making an urgent 2k. In school, what is the easiest way of making urgent 2k? Urgent 2k can be made in school just by offering solutions to students. By a lot of students need textbook. You can source for old textbook that have been used by senior colleague and resell it at a lesser rate to students with you having a commission. A lot of people will say affiliate marketing or stuff like that. No, this is not affiliate marketing. This is just offering solutions to junior students who actually need textbook, but you are selling it to them at a subsidized rate. That is what I actually do. I sell a textbook, a medical textbook to students which senior colleague have already used, as we sell it to our junior students who will need it, and I tend to have little commission which accumulate to urgent 2k daily. So even as a sit-at-home mom, you can actually look for what the problem in your environment and you offer a good solution to it, and you see yourself making money. As a sit-at-home mom, you might tend to ask which solution can you offer in your environment. There are a lot of solutions. You turn around and look in your environment, you see that maybe crayfish. A lot of people need crayfish in your area, but crayfish is not easily found. You can go extra mile by looking for that crayfish. You bring it, you talk to a retailer, and the retailer helps you to resell it and give you your commission without actually you stressing yourself. You are making urgent 2k without stressing yourself, but you are offering solution. So you can make urgent 2k by just offering solution. Solution is the master key, and let no one deceive you that you can make urgent 2k by what do they call it, you tend to do things that are strenuous. You can make urgent 2k by just sitting at home. I make my own urgent 2k by sitting at home and writing in my book. I just write. When I write, I tend to get inspiration, I tend to get motivation, I tend to get ideas, and which I apply to make my urgent 2k. You can also apply it in all areas of life and in all spheres, and you see yourself making your urgent 2k. And if you have watched this video to the end, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this, and so that I will also grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you.